that they put on you from the beginning of your life to now. We took Colossians 3 and 17.
This is the book of Colossians, chapter 3 and verse 17. And whatsoever you do in word or deed, do all in the name of Hashem HaMashiach Yahushai, giving thanks to the Most High and the Father by Him.
All that we say and do is going to be in the name of the anointed Savior, who the world falsely calls Jesus Christ, and that's not his real name. In the Hebrew, his name would be called Hamashiach Yahushai. That's what you're going to hear saying, Hamashiach Yahushai. Now look, we're going to go to how we're going to be judged, every last one of us, on our works. And a lot of you think your works might be whatever you do in following this wicked system, in following the law of the land only. But let's look at Exodus, the 18th chapter, the 20th verse. Let's find out what your works is, because he's going to come back on this earth and judge you by your works. But we're going to come forth between the commandments of the Most High and the laws of the Most High, which is needed in this world.
This is the book of Exodus, chapter 18 and verse 20. And thou shalt teach them ordinances and laws, and shalt show them the way wherein they must walk.
So he said we got to teach our people, the 12 tribes of Israel, ordinances and laws. The same laws that the preachers are saying we got under. So he said we got to teach them ordinances and laws. See?
And the work that they must do.
The work that we must do. And follow the ordinances and the laws of the Most High. Put to the Revelation. There's rules and regulations. Understand this. Now get Deuteronomy 5 and 1. So we're going to stick with the laws, bringing forth the commandments of the Most High, because it's needed. Everybody do whatever they want to do, but you don't know the commandments of the Most High, so we'll bring it for you.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 5 and verse 1. And Moses taught all Israel and said unto them, Hear, O Israel, the statutes and judgments which I speak in your ears. This day ye may learn them and keep and do them.
So he said, hey, he told all of us as the Israelites, that's who we are, the Israelites. And a lot of you out there are Israelites, but you don't know your nationality. I ask brothers and sisters, what's your nationality? Mainly brothers. And I got 105 different identities of what's your nationality. Hey, brother. I'm finna give you a response. With the yellow shorts on.
Brother with the yellow shorts.
You laughing, you know I'm talking about you. And to you. See what I'm saying? That's a problem. Brother.
Brother with the glasses.
So you know what? Now let's go to James, the 2nd chapter. And we're going to start at the 17th verse. So you're looking at the Most High, who brought his laws to the Israelites, and everybody going to have to follow his commandments, whether you want to or not. In the end, in the kingdom, you make it to the kingdom. It'll be rendered to everybody that's going to the kingdom. Understand that your position not going to be as it is now, but you got a position in the kingdom if you be right. You know what I mean? You got a chance. And you can't just say we ain't under the law. That's saying we don't have to follow the Most High. Does that make sense? When your preacher tell you you're not under the law, he's telling you you have to follow the Most High. You have to follow what the Most High wrote with his finger. The work of the Most High. Let's see.
This is James, chapter 2 and verse 17. Even so faith, if it hath not worked, is dead.
Faith, if it hath not worked, which we already established in Exodus 18 and 20, that the work is keeping the laws and the ordinances of the Most High, the commandments of the Most High. And nobody can tell me or come forth and tell me that we're not under the Most High's laws. Anyone, come forth. Show me that we ain't got to follow the Most High's commandments according to this Bible. Nobody will, but y'all go around just like the robots and robotees and regurgitate what somebody has told you. And they lie to you. Listen. Read.
James chapter 2 verse 17. Even so faith, if it hath not worked, is dead.
Faith. What's faith? Hebrews 11 and 1. Faith, if it have not works, is dead. So faith, we don't define faith if you don't have works, is dead. The works are keeping the laws, statutes, commandments of the Most High. I'm going to prove it over and over again. Read.
This is the book of Hebrews chapter 11 and verse 1.
This is faith. What is faith?
Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.
That's something that you hope for, that you believe in. You're supposed to believe in the Most High. You're supposed to believe in the Mashiach that was out of the world, falsely called Jesus Christ, so that you can have works. You can learn to keep the laws of the Most High. But how you going to keep the laws of the Most High and you don't know them? He gave us moral laws, civil laws, dietary laws, and ceremonial laws. Y'all getting ready for the 4th of July, right? That's why a lot of y'all come from out of town ready for 4th of July. 1776. Come on. Read.
Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.
Faith is the things hoped for, something that you desire to happen in the future. The evidence of things not seen, because it's not seen. Why you going to pray to the Most High? You already have what you want. You believe it. You're going to receive what you're praying for. So faith is something that you desire. Read.
For by it the elders obtain a good report.
That's right. So I'm an elder, and I want to get a good report, so I'm going to do what he said do. Y'all been looking at Hollywood stars and so forth. That's not going to get you anywhere. They already got their money. They already sold out to wherever it is that they have to sell out to be on this ground. Straight up. Go back to James, the 2nd chapter. So, faith without keeping the commandments of the Most High is dead. So y'all got faith, just say, I got faith, but you don't keep the commandments of the Most High. He just said it's dead, read.
This is the book of James, chapter 2 and verse 17. Even so faith, if it has not works, is dead.
Faith, if it have not works, if you're not keeping the commandments of the Most High, is dead, read.
Being alone.
Being alone. Faith alone. But y'all taught you not under the law of the Most High. Read.
Yeah, a man say, thou hast faith, and I have works.
Man, so they have faith, and I say, I got works. I'm keeping the commandments of the Most High. Read.
Show me thy faith without thy works.
Show me your faith without your works. Keeping the commandments of the Most High that we didn't establish, the ordinances and the laws of the Most High. Read.
And I will show thee my faith by my works.
So he will show you his faith by his works, by keeping the commandments of the Most High. Read.
Thou believest that there is one power. Thou doest well.
Y'all believe that there's one power, the Most High. Y'all call him God, which is dog spelled backwards. You know, they took dog and spelled it backwards and came up with God, and that's why y'all regurgitating what it is that you always hear. They're born in this world and don't realize that you are following the way of the heathen, the way of the elite that's laughing all the way to the bank, and the preachers laughing all the way to the bank, because you say, God, who is the God of? Who is the power of? Yes, you don't even know, because you ain't never asked. And they're not going to tell you, because if you know when you say God, if you know who he really is, then you be saying, whoa, how do I fit in with him? They don't lie to everybody. Let me show you right quick what he said. Hold that, get Exodus 3 and 15. This is named forever and ever and ever. And you're going to see it's right here. Let's read.
This is the book of Exodus, chapter 3 and verse 15. And Yahweh said, moreover unto Moses, thus shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, the power of your fathers.
The Most High is the power of Israel. The power of our fathers. Who is that?
The Most High power of your fathers, the power of Abraham, the power of Isaac, and the power of Jacob have sent me unto you.
The Most High is the power of Abraham, who had a son named Isaac, who had a son named Jacob, who became the forefather of the 12 tribes of Israel. Judah, Benjamin, Levi, Simeon, Zebulun, Ephraim, Manasseh, Gad, Reuben, Naphtali, Asher, and Issachar, all 12 tribes. That's who you're the power of. Read.
This is my name forever.
How long?
Forever.
So I said, this is my name forever. Read.
This is my memorial unto all generations.
This is my memorial unto all generations. So he said he's the power of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Get Matthew 32:22. 32:32. So he's the power of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob is the forefather of the 12 tribes of Israel. All right, Salam. You see? And that's who you are. Let's read.
This is the book of St. Matthew, chapter 22 and verse 32. I am the power of Abraham.
He said the Most High who?
I am the power of Abraham, and the power of Isaac, and the power of Jacob. Power is not the Most High is not the power of the dead, but of the living.
The Most High is not the power of the dead, but of the living. And we living, so he's our power. The power of Abraham, who had a son named Isaac, who had a son named Jacob, and Jacob became the forefather of the 12 tribes of Israel.
That's right.
Straight up. And that's who you are. If you want to say you are, because I got 105 different identities of who we are. I asked your brother, what's your race, man? What's your nationality? What do you call yourself? What's your nationality? What do you call yourself? I'm talking to you.
Filipino.
Huh? Filipino? Yeah, they created that man, right? When I said you out there, you know that, right? They created that man. Fellas. Y'all got a minute? Okay. We can't even get a minute. A second? 5 seconds? Read Acts 3:13.
This is the book of Acts, chapter. This is the book of Acts, chapter 3 and verse 13. The Most High of Abraham, of Isaac, and of Jacob, the power of your fathers, have glorified his son, Hamashiach Yahushai.
So the Most High is the power of Abraham, who had a son named Isaac, who had a son named Jacob, who became the forefather of the 12 tribes of Israel. That's who this Bible's talking to. Now, if you're not of the 12 tribes of Israel, how's he your power? Get Amos 3:1 and 2. See what Amos 3:1 and 2. See, when you understand this Bible, and you understand who you are, hey brother, what do you call yourself as nationality, race? Hebrew? All right. That's great. That's great.
Edomite, Hebrew Israelite.
Right.
This is the book of Amos, chapter 3 and verse 1. Hear this word that the Most High has spoken against you, O children of Israel.
He's talking to us. We the children of Israel. What did he say?
Against the whole family which I brought up from the land of Egypt, saying,